to get started with this tool. So as you can see here, you can enter an SEO keyword that you would like to optimize. So for this example, let's say you have an e-commerce store selling a baby playpen. So what you can do is just put in your keyword here and then pick how many words you want and whether or not you want the system to send you an email once it's done with the first draft. And then you're gonna press this pitch me ideas button. And when you press this pitch me ideas button, the AI will come up with various topics that it can possibly write about. These are the H1 sort of titles, if you want to think about it like that. And so all you need to do is just pick one that you like and then press the write button and you're good to go. And then it'll just make an article for you and you're done. Another option you have is if none of these are good enough, what you can do is just keep pressing this pitch me other ideas again, and it'll generate new ideas for you. So for example, these new ideas. So, different types of playpens available. If, maybe you like this one, then you press write, and then, it'll create the article for you and you're done. So the other option is maybe none of these titles work for you and you want to write about something else. So maybe you want just a 500-word article and talk about why playpens make parents more productive. And then a warning will show up here to say, hey, like there's no phrase match detected in the title, so make sure the title is relevant enough, right? Because obviously, if you're trying to optimize for baby playpens and you talk about something completely different, then the AI is going to do a very bad job with the SEO optimization. It's not going to come up with anything really sensible. So ideally, what you'll do is you have an exact match or a phrase match, not so ideally, but a phrase match is saying that the words baby and playpen, so each of these words show up in the title. But most ideally, you want to have an exact match, meaning you want this exact phrase to show up exactly as is in the title. So this is ideal, and it should show up kind of near the beginning of the SEO title. So in the Google search results, it'll show up in that way. And then all you need to do now is, one thing you might notice is if I don't have a title here, it'll have this button for pitch me ideas. But if you do put a title in here, this button swaps to write. And the reason for that is once you actually have a title, then the AI has everything it needs from you to be able to write an article, and all you need to do is press write and it'll create an article for you. And so it'll create a 500-word article for you with this H1 title, and it'll optimize for the keyword baby playpen. And last but not least, let's say you don't want SEO, and this is a lot of cases if you are more of a freelance writer and there's not much on-page SEO needed. It's more of a backlinking situation, and you don't want to risk any keyword stuffing. So maybe your client just wants you to write 2,000 words, on this topic. In this case, it'll still do a pretty good SEO job with baby playpens, just because the natural language will sort of come out. So kind of semantic keywords will generally just come out anyway. But yeah, all you need to do here is to press the write button and it'll create an article for you. So to recap, you sort of have three options. The first option is you can put a keyword only and use a title that the AI gives you. The second option is you can just have, a title of a topic you want to write about and press write. And then the third option is you have a keyword and a title, and it'll write about this topic that you give it, and it'll optimize for this SEO. And that's it. So yeah, I hope this helps, and I hope this helps you, get started using our tool. And let us know if you have any feedback. All you need to do to give us feedback is to press this button here, and it's a direct chat. It goes directly as a push notification to my phone. So if I don't respond immediately, I will respond within the day. Anyway, that's all I had. Hope this helps.